Hola chicos, David G here. One of the best possible travel tips I can give you is to learn some of the local language before your trip, but that doesn't have to mean taking tons of time to do so. In this video, you'll learn some Spanish in 5 minutes. Vamos! The easiest way to say hello is hola, and if you want to be a little bit more formal in the morning, you can say buenos dias. In the afternoon, you can say buenas tardes, and at night, you can say buenas noches. Also, if you want to just tell someone good night when you're going to bed, that's buenas noches. Hasta luego is a really nice way to say goodbye. Want to introduce yourself to someone? They're probably going to ask you, ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what's your name? And the correct answer is me llamo and then your name. So, me llamo David. And don't forget to tell them mucho gusto after you introduce yourself. Then maybe you'll want to talk a little bit more to your new friend or perhaps future spouse. And when they hear your accent, they might want to ask you, ¿De dónde eres? To answer, you want to say, soy de, and then whatever country you're from. So in my case, soy de Estados Unidos. Argentina has the largest percentage of fluent English speakers of any Spanish-speaking country, but that's still under 20% of their total population, so the chances are very, very high that you're going to need some Spanish when you're traveling. And learning a few words to be polite is always key. Por favor means please, gracias means thank you, de nada means you're welcome, permiso means excuse me, and perdón is a great way to say you're sorry. You're probably going to need to get around in whatever Spanish-speaking country you're in, and a good first question to know is, ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? ¿Dónde está means where is, and then you can pretty much just fill in the blank after that when you want to ask where something is. ¿Dónde está el hotel? ¿Dónde está la playa? ¿Dónde está el supermercado? ¿Dónde está el restaurante? If you need something, well, and you definitely will, the way to say I need is necesito. So you could say something like necesito un taxi or necesito una cerveza or whatever. Want to know the price of something? That's cuánto cuesta, and then you just point awkwardly at whatever you want to buy. I'm telling you, your trip is going to be a blast. If you get hungry or thirsty, you've got to let people know what you want. Quiero means I want. Quiero comer, or quiero tacos, quiero empanadas, quiero ensalada. When you want the bill at a restaurant, it's la cuenta, por favor. Of course, you always want to have some phrases prepared in case of an emergency. And a good first one to know is llama a la policía, or call the police. And no, it's not pronounced llama like the animal, but llama. Necesito ayuda means I need help. One other tip I always share with people that are planning a trip is to download an app like Deeple or Google Translate that works offline, and make sure that you can translate words that you don't know off the top of your head. So if you needed, I don't know, let's say a Band-Aid, you could look it up real quick in the app, walk into the pharmacy and be like, necesito una curita, por favor. With just the littlest bit of time studying Spanish now, you could already carry on a short conversation like, Hola.
Buenos días.
Mucho gusto, me llamo David. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo David también. ¿De dónde eres?
Soy de Estados Unidos. ¿Y tú de dónde eres?
Soy de aquí, de México.
Necesito ayuda. Quiero comer. ¿Dónde está el restaurante?
David, el restaurante está allí.
Gracias. Hasta luego.
De nada. Adiós.
Look, y'all, nobody's going to learn the whole Spanish language in 5 minutes, 5 hours, or 5 days. But now I've given you enough tools so you could go to a Spanish-speaking country and get around pretty easily. And moreover, everybody appreciates it when you take some time to learn their language. What else would you want to learn to prepare quickly for a trip to a Spanish-speaking country? Drop your ideas in the comments below. If you like this video, then make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about how you can travel better.